God for the grace to work out. I don't take it light. And I'm praying that you also start exercising. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless you so much. I want to encourage you to keep on exercising and eating healthy. As much as we pray, God expects us to move our bodies around. Your body was created to move around, jump, dance, kick, do whatever you have to do. As long as your body is moving around, you lose calories, and make sure your heartbeat goes up. Today, I'm still working on the legs and the stomach. Okay, here we go. You're welcome to join me. You lift up your leg and jump. If you can't do all this stuff, go and walk. Do a brisk walk. It's also good. I've been running. I thank God for that grace. I never take it light. Thanks, Robina, for recording. It looks easy, but come on, try it and see. Do it for like 30 minutes and keep on changing. By the time you finish, my darling, oh, you'll be thanking God for the grace. Okay, this tree is very, very good for the legs. The weather is so beautiful. Oh my God, I just love it. Wow. Oh, you can go. You can stay down. Make sure your chest is up, and then go back. You can jump again. Ooh. Okay, you can continue with it for 30 minutes, and then let's do our squats. Those ones, it's a must. Okay, here we go. Or make sure you squeeze your butt. And don't let your knees go beyond the toes. Oh. Okay, that's it for today. Keep on running. Keep on running. And then make sure your heartbeat run. That's what goes up. I think if I stop now, you also might stop there. So let me run for at least for 5 minutes. I'm encouraging you that are at home, especially mothers, at least try exercising for 5 minutes. Before you know, you'll get into the routine. Okay? If you want, you can. Okay, least do something like this. 5-10 minutes, at least 10 minutes. Start with 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I'm telling you, next time around this time, you'll be cool. Thank you for watching. Please join our Keep Fit page. Come and learn more. Come and see many videos. What to eat, how to keep fit. God bless you. Thank you. Oh.